Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this ugly edges in any PNG or any image inside After Effects. So this is really easy. I apply actually the deep glow. If you apply the simple glow, it's actually not good, the simple glow, but I apply a deep glow. If you want deep glow, let me know in the comment. I will give you. So this is the deep glow. If I delete this, so what you're going to do is just go to the effect and preset and just search for the deep glow. So when I apply this, as you can see on this PNG, as you can see, the boundary edges is not good, like ugly. So we need a beautiful, like fade out thing. So what you're going to do is add CC Reptile. Go search in the effect and control. And as you can see, CC Reptile, apply it. Make sure it's on the top. And the next thing is click on the repeat and click none. So once you click that and just increase the left, right, up, down value, like here in my case, it's actually 200. And as you can see, I increased the value of all the sides. Like, so as you can see, on right and left, it's not good. So I'm increasing the value to 300. And let me increase the value to 300. So this is the easiest way is actually you can fix this ugly edges. So that's how you can fix. Let me scale down. As you can see, now it's looking beautiful. So let me show you another example as well, another PNG as well. This is my another PNG. Let me unhide this. Look at this. I applied the deep glow as well. So when I unhide it, like hide it, so as you can see, it's not good. Let me copy the CC Reptile and just paste it here. And this one is actually a circular. So as you can see, this is actually, we need to decrease the radius and the, as you can see, so now it's actually for this, I think 200 is good, the left, right, and up and down. So this is how you can fix this problem inside After Effects. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel for more amazing content. So this is the easiest way to fix the ugly edges. Yeah, thank you so much.